Welcome back. I am the Professor Davinci. Today's topic is finding the equation of the circle from the ends of a diameter. If the circle is given, we need to find the equation. Suppose we have a given with a two endpoints. I know this point. I know this point. Assume that this is a point A and this is point B. So from these 2 points, I need to find we need to find the equation of the circle. So we need to find the equations of circle. We can, from the given points, we can find the equation of this circle. We can also find the radius, and also we can find the center of the circle. Let me explain this concept with a small example. Before going to the small example, so find the equation of the circle from the endpoints of the diameter. So if this is the endpoint of diameter, we need to find the equation of the circle. If you are given 2 points on the circumference, so which is the circumference here? This is the circumference. Okay, the line, the outer is the circumference. If you are given 2 points on the circumference that are the ends of the diameter, so these 2 points are the end of the diameter of the circle, diameter of the circle, right? Then the center of the circle can be found by determining the midpoints of the 2 points. So here the scope of the 2 points is that the 2 points must be at the end of the diameter. We cannot find the equation of the circle. For example, if I have 1 point here, 1 point next to each other like this, I cannot able to find this example, this topic, the scope of this topic is not this one. So the 2 points, we cannot find the equation of circle of the 2 points anywhere else in the circumference, but we can able to find the equation of circle if the 2 points are the ends of the diameter. I can have a 2 points here, or I can have a just exactly opposite 2 points here. Okay, right? If we have the 2 points, if we know the 2 points of the diameter, then we can find the radius, or we can find the center. How we can find the center? Just by finding the midpoint of the line. So once we find the midpoint of the line, suppose this is the midpoint of the line A, say this is A, B, C, this is the midpoint of the line. Okay, see, from the midpoint of the line, that is, again we need to find the distance between the midpoint and the uh, any point on the radius, point on the circumference. So this will give the radius. Okay, right? So this is the scope of this problem. Now clear? Explaining once again. So finding the equation of the circle from the endpoints of the diameter. If you are given 2 points on the circumference that are the ends of the diameter of a circle, then the center of the circle can be found by determining the midpoint of the 2 points on the circumference. Once we find the midpoint and then find the distance between the midpoint to the circumference, it will give you the radius. Okay, right? So let's go with a simple exercise. Okay, right? So the exercise is, find the coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle C, which has a diameter joining the point A. So 43, 1, and the point B 13, 27. This is the first task. And the second, need to find the equation of the circle. Okay. Let's go by one. And I'm erasing this one. So from the question, what we understood, so there is a circle is there. The name of the circle is C. The name of the circle is C, and we have the 2 points. So for example, I have 2 points. This is the A point, and directly just opposite we have the B point. A point, the coordinate of A point is 43 comma 11, and the coordinate of a B point is 13 comma 27. Okay, so here from this what we need to find, we need to find the radius, we need to find the radius, we need to find the radius r, we need to find what is radius. We need to find what is radius, right? Now we know that we need to find the midpoint. So once we find the midpoint, from there we can find the radius. Okay, we need to find the, so this is the midpoint, we need to find the midpoint. How to find the midpoint? Already we have the formula that the midpoint equals midpoint, mid equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we have 2 points we have here. A equals a 43 comma 11, and the B equals 13 comma 27. So here this is x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 43 plus y1, I mean x1 plus x2 is 13 divided by 2 comma 11 plus 27 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here we get 43 plus 13 equals 56 divided by 2 comma 11 plus 27 is 38 divided by 2, which gives 56 divided by 2 is 28, 38 divided by 2 is 19. So we found the midpoint is 28 comma 19. So the midpoint, we can say it is, which is 28 comma 19, 28 comma 19 midpoint. Now from the midpoint we need to find the radius. How do we find the radius? Radius is the distance between the midpoint to the diameter, what we have 13 comma 27, right? So what is the uh, distance formula? So distance of formula is like based on the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? States that suppose this is the right angle triangle, meaning suppose this is the circle. Okay, so this is the center and this is the radius. How to find the radius? R square, this is say this is a square, this is distance, okay, b square. So r square equals a square plus b square based on the Pythagoras theorem. Already we know that Pythagoras theorem. Here coming to our point, coming to our problem. So here the r square equals, what is this one we have? Come back, I draw the same diagram, same circle I draw. Okay, right, good, fantastic. So here we have the mid, what is the midpoint we have here? 28 comma 19. Okay, and then what is the point here? Here point we have 13 comma 27, 13 comma 27. Okay, right? So we need to find the distance, we need to find the distance. So how to find the distance? So this is the Okay, right? Distance from the distance equals, yeah, I mean r square equals x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It is a formula. What is x2? Take it, take anything as x2. Says, I mean, not anything. This is 28. 28 minus this one is 13. 28 minus 13 the whole square plus 19 minus 27 the whole square, which equals 28 minus 13 equals, it is say 15 the whole square plus we have a 19 minus 27 equals 8 minus 8 whole square. 15 square equals to 25 and 8 8 or 64, so minus will become positive, so which gets here 289, which is r square, right? So from this, what is r? The radius equals root 289. So based on the table, 17 tables, 17 17s are 289, so we got the radius. Okay, clear? So what is the first task? What we have to find? We need to find the radius. So we found the radius, and also we found the center. What is the center here? The center is 28 comma 9 and the radius is 17. Now go to the b. What is b? Find the circle. This circle equation. Circle equation. What is the circle equation? Already we know that if if the circle has the center 0 comma 0, then the circle equation is x square plus y square equals r square. Now this center is not at the origin, that is 0 comma 0. So we have, so if the circle is not in the origin, then this circle equation is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equals the r square, if the circle is not in the origin. So now in our case the circle is not in the origin, it is the midpoint is 28 comma 19. So we have to have, what is the a comma b? This is the center point. This is a 28 and this is 19, this center point 28 and 19. Okay, the a and b are 28 and 19. Now the circle equation will be x minus 28 the whole square plus y minus 19 whole square equals, what is r square? 289. 289, right? So we have found the circle equation as well. Clear? Very easy. See you guys. Have a great day.